Good morning everyone. Today I will solve remaining question of exercise 7.4. So question number 11, integral of 1 upon 9x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. So how can integrate this question? Direct cannot be solved, so change in another form of denominator by completing square method. Initially we solve denominator. So let us start solution of this question. Integration of 9, starting 9 common out in this denominator, so 1 upon 9. So 1 upon x square plus 6 upon 9x plus 5 upon 9 dx. So divide by 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So 1 upon 9, integral of 1 upon x square plus 2x plus 5 upon 9, 2 upon 3 dx. By completing square method, you can solve this. So 2 by 3 half 1 by 3, taking coefficient of x 2 by 3 and it's a half 2 by 3, 2 by 3, taking coefficient of x 2 by 3 and it's a half, divide 2. So 2 upon 3 into 2, 2 2 cancel out, so 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is square, adding as subtracting in this question. So now we get 1 upon 9, integral of 1 upon x square plus 2 by 3 x plus 1 upon 3 square minus 1 by 3 square and plus 5 upon 9. Also we can write 1 upon 9, integral of 1 upon, so this a square plus b square plus 2ab, so by factor x plus 1 upon 3 whole square and minus 1 upon 9 plus 5 upon 9. So now we get, so 1 upon 9 and integral of 1 upon x plus 1 upon 3 whole square and also 9 taking LCM 9, so 5 minus 1 is equal to 4 upon 9, so plus 4 upon 9 dx. And also we can write 1 upon 9, integral of 1 upon x plus 1 upon 3 whole square plus 2 upon 3 whole square dx. dx. By formula, since 1 upon x square plus a square integral of dx is equal to 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus c. So, according to this formula, we can solve. So, 1 upon 9 into 1 upon a means 2 by 3. So, 1 upon 2 by 3 and tan inverse x plus 1 upon 3 upon a 2 upon 3 and also plus c. So, now 1 upon 2 3 is 6 and tan inverse taking LCM 3x plus 1 upon 3 upon 2 upon 3. So, 3 cancel out. So, plus c and also 1 upon 6 tan inverse 3x plus 1 upon 2 plus c. This is answer of given question. Question number 12, integral of 1 upon root 7 minus 6 x minus x square dx. So, now since this function polynomial by completing square method. So, now 1 upon root 7 and 7. So, completing square coefficient of x 6 upon 2. So, get 3 and 3 square. 3 square coefficient of taking coefficient of x 6 and its a half 3 and can square adding and subtracting. So, 3 square. So, plus 3 square minus 3 square and minus 6x minus x square and dx. Also, we can write, so 7 plus 9 minus common out. So, 3 square plus 6x plus x square also dx. Arrange this 1 upon 9 plus 7. So, get 16 and minus x square plus 6x and plus 3 square dx. Also, we can write integral of 1 upon 4 square minus x plus 3 square. So factor by factorization method you can solve x plus 3 x plus 3 x plus 3 x square a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a plus b का whole square. So x and plus 3 plus 3 square dx. Since integral of 1 upon root 1 square minus x square or a square minus x square dx is equal to sine inverse x upon a plus c. So use this formula in this place. We can also write, so sine inverse x plus 3 upon 4 and plus c. This is answer. Question number 13. Integral of 1 upon root x minus 1 x minus 2. So now calculate this. So we get 1 upon root x square minus 3x plus 2 dx. So by completing square method you can solve. So another form, so 3 coefficient of x, taking coefficient of x 3 and half, divide it by 2 and square 3 by 2 square, adding and subtracting in this way. So taking coefficient of x 3 upon 2 square and adding this. So we can write also integral of 1 upon x square minus 3x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square and plus also 2. So adding this and subtracting this. So now this a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we can write 1 upon root x minus 3 by 2 whole square, and you can solve minus 9 upon 4 plus 2. So dx. So dx also you can write integral of 1 upon root x minus 3 upon 2 whole square and 4 2s are 8 plus 9 8 and minus 9 is equal to 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4 dx. Also 1 upon root x minus 3 by 2 whole square and minus 1 by 2 whole square and dx. Since 1 upon root x square minus a square dx is equal to log x plus root x square minus a square plus c. So you can also write this. So this formula can you use in this way. So we can write log x, so x this, so x x minus 3 by 2 and plus root x square minus a square. So x minus 3 whole square and minus 1 by 2 whole square and also plus c. Also you can change log x minus 3 by 2 and plus root. You can solve, so we get this x square minus 3x plus 2, its original. So this is answer. 14 integral of 1 upon root 8 plus 3x minus x square. So denominator you can solve by completing square method. You can change this another form 1 upon root 8. So coefficient of taking coefficient of x, so 3 and its half, so 3 by 2. Taking coefficient of x, get 3, so its half 3 by 2 and squaring 3 by 2 square, adding and subtracting in this place. So 8 plus 3 by 2 whole square and minus 3 by 2 whole square and plus 3x minus x square dx. So 3 by 2 square, adding and subtracting. So now also we can write 1 upon root 8 and plus 9 upon 4 minus common out, get 3 by 2, 3 by 2, so 3 by 2 whole square and minus 3x plus x square dx. Also you can write 1 upon 9, 8, 4, 8 that 32 plus 9, 32 plus 9, 41, 41 upon 4 minus, also can write x square minus 3x plus 3 by 2 whole square dx. And also change another form, we get integral of 1 upon, so 41 upon 2 whole square, 41 upon 4, so square root 41 upon 2 whole square minus a square plus b square minus 2ab, so get x minus 3 by 2 whole square dx. So this is square root and also this is square root in square root. Now since integral of 1 upon root a square minus x square dx is equal to sine inverse x by a plus c. So this is formula. So in this formula, in this question you can solve with the help of this formula. We get sine inverse x, x minus 3 by 2 upon a means root 41 upon 2 and plus c. So sin inverse taking LCM, so 2x minus 3 upon 2 upon root 41 upon 2 cancel out. We get sin inverse 2x minus 3 upon root 41 and plus c. This is answer. Question number 15. Integral of 1 upon ax minus a x minus b in square root. So now we can solve in another form. So 1 upon x square in bracket a plus b into x plus a into b dx. So you can solve by completing square method. So taking coefficient of x a plus b and upon 2 divide by 2 and squaring and adding in this way. So integral of 1 upon x square minus a plus b into x plus ab. So plus a plus b upon 2 whole square minus a plus b upon 2 whole square plus ab. So this square and dx. So also 1 upon a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we get x minus a plus b upon 2 whole square. And also we can solve. So you can solve a plus b upon 2 a plus b whole square upon 4 plus ab, this minus. So a plus b whole square plus 4ab upon 4. So minus, taking minus, so a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 4ab upon 4. So minus a square plus b square minus 2ab upon 4. So we get a minus b whole square upon 4. So now write in this way, we get minus a minus b upon 2 whole square. dx. Since integral of 1 upon root x square minus a square dx is equal to log x plus root x square minus a square plus c. So you can solve by this formula. We get log x minus a plus b upon 2 and also plus this x square x minus a plus b upon 2 whole square and minus a minus b upon 2 whole square and also plus c. So now log you can write x minus a plus b upon 2 and plus in this original form x square minus in bracket a plus b and x plus a into b and also plus c. Also you can write log x minus a plus b upon 2 and plus root x minus 1 and x minus 2 and plus c. This is answer. Question number 16. Integral of 4x plus 1 upon root 2x square plus x minus 3. So now you can derivative of this, so we get this. So now let 2x square plus x minus 3 is equal to t. Now differentiating with respect to x, so we get 2 into 2 x square or 2x plus 1 0, derivative by x 0, x 1 and constant 0 is equal to dt upon dx. So let 2x square plus x minus 3 is equal to t. Differentiating with respect to x, now get 2 common out, derivative of x square 2x plus derivative of x 1, derivative of constant 0. So 4x plus 1 dx is equal to dt. So now change you can, so 1 upon root t dt. So integral of t की power minus 1 by 2 dt. So by formula integral of x power n is equal to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. So you can change t की power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 upon minus 1 by 2 plus 1 and also plus c. Also you can change t की power 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2 plus c. Also you can change, so root t n upon 1 by 2, so 2t plus c. Also you can change 2 and value of t, so 2x square plus x minus 3 and plus c. This is answer. Question number 17. Integral of x plus 2 upon square root x square minus 1 dx. So by separating LCM, so get x upon root x square minus 1 dx and also plus 2 upon root x square minus 1 dx integration. So now let x square minus 1 is equal to t. So differentiating with respect to x, we get derivative of x square 2x and derivative of 1 0 is equal to dt upon dx. So now also x dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. So change in this way, we get 1 by 2 common out, integration of 1 upon root t, so x square minus 1 t and dt, and 1 by 2 common out, so dt, and plus 2 integral of 1 upon root x square minus 1 square dx. So formula, so 1 upon 2 integral of t की power minus 1 by 2 dt and plus 2 integral of 1 upon x square minus 1 square dx. So also 1 upon 2 t की power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 and plus 2 and integral of 1 upon root x square minus a square dx is equal to log x plus root x square minus a square. So by using this formula we get log x plus root x square minus 1 square and plus c. So also we can write we can write 1 upon 2 and t की पावर 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2 plus 2 log x plus root x square minus 1 plus c. Cancel out root t plus 2 log x plus root x square minus 1 plus c. Also t change in x, so x square minus 1 plus 2 log x plus root x square minus 1 and plus c. This is answer. Question number 18, integral of 5x minus 2 upon 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx. So derivative of this not find in this way. So also you can change by method, we get 5x minus 2 is equal to constant a, taking constant a and derivative of denominator 1 plus 2x plus 3x square and plus constant b. So integral of 5x minus 2 upon 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx. अगर डिनोमिनेटर का डेरिवेटिव नोमिनेटर नहीं मिलता है तो हम इस डिनोमिनेटर का डेरिवेटिव फाइंड करने के लिए हम 5x माइनस 2 यानी नोमिनेटर को हम a कांस्टेंट लेते हैं और डिनोमिनेटर का डेरिवेटिव निकालकर उसका मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं और प्लस एक कांस्टेंट ऐड करते हैं. सो नाउ a into डेरिवेटिव ऑफ this 1 0 plus 2 derivative of x1 and plus derivative 3 common out derivative of x square 2x and also plus b. So a 2 plus 6x. So 0, 2 into 1 2 and 3 to the 6x and plus b. So 5x minus 2 is equal to this. So 5x minus 2 is equal to 2a multiply 2a plus 6a x plus b. Also we can write 6a x plus 2a plus b and 5x minus 2. Comparing the coefficient of x and x. So get 5 is equal to 6a. So a is equal to 5.6. And also comparing constant 2a plus b is equal to minus 2. So now put a 2 into 5.6 plus b is equal to minus 2. So 5.3 plus b is equal to minus 2. So b is equal to minus 2 and 5 upon 3. So 5.3 minus 5.3. So 3 2s are 6 minus 5.3. So get minus 11 upon 3 value of b. So now put in first question 5x minus 2 is equal to a means 5.6 in bracket 2 plus 6x and plus b minus 11 upon 3. So now put this value in this place. Now we get integral of 5.6 in bracket 2 plus 6x minus 11 upon 3 upon 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx. So now get integral of 5.6 in bracket 2x plus 6x minus 11 upon 3 upon 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx. So now since 5.6 integral of 2x plus 2 plus 6x upon 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx and also integral of 11 upon 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx. 11 upon 3. So also we can write 5.6 integral of 2 plus 6x upon 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx and 11 upon 3 common out and 1 upon 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx. So let let 1 plus 2x plus 3x square is equal to t. So differentiating with respect to x. So 0 derivative of constant 0 and 2 common out, and x 1 and 3 and x square derivative 2x dt upon dx. So 2 plus 6x and dx is equal to dt. So now dx is equal to this. So 5/6 integral of 2 plus 6x ds dt. So 1 upon t dt and minus 11 upon 3. And by completing square method you can solve this. So get 1 upon 3 common out, coefficient of x square 3. So 3 common out, get 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3x plus x square. So dx. So 3 by completing square you can solve. So we get 3 coefficient of x square 3 common out, 11 upon 3 into 1 upon 3 common out. So 1 upon 3, 2 upon 3x and 3 upon 3 by 1. So x square. And also you can solve 5/6 integral of 1 upon t log t mod of t minus 11 upon 9 and coefficient of taking coefficient of x 2/3 upon 2 and its half 2. So get 2 upon 3 into 2. So 2 cancel out, get 1/3. 1/3 square and squaring. So taking coefficient of x 2/3 and its half 2/3 upon 2, get 1/3 and squaring and adding in this way. So get, you can write 1 upon 3 1 upon 3 and plus 2/3 x or 1/3 square and minus or minus and plus 1/3 square and plus 2/3 x plus x square. So dx. Now also you can write, so get 5/6 log mod of t and minus 11 upon 9 and also integral of 1 upon 3 and minus 1 upon 9 plus a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we can write 1 upon 3 plus x whole square and also dx. And 5/6 log t. So t 1 plus 2x plus 2x square 3x square and 11 upon 9, and so 1 by 3 and 1 by 9, so 3 minus 1, so 2 upon 9, 1 upon 2 upon 9 plus 1 upon 3 plus x whole square dx. Also we can write 5 upon 6 log 1 plus 2x plus 3x square and 11 upon 9, and 1 upon 2 root 2 upon 3 square and plus and x plus 1 by 3 whole square dx. So 5 upon 6 log 1 plus 2x plus 3x square minus 11 upon 9. So x square integral of x square five upon 6 log mod of 1 plus 2 x 2 x plus 3x square minus 11 upon 9. Since for 1 upon x square plus a square integral, so by formula 1 upon 1 upon a root 2 by 3 and tan inverse x plus 1 by 3 upon root 2 upon 3 and also plus c. So 9, also 5 upon 6 log 1 plus 2x plus 3x square minus 11 upon 3 root 2 and tan inverse taking common 3x plus 1 upon 3 and root 2 upon 3 cancel out and plus c. So also you can write 5 upon 6 log 1 plus 2x plus 3x square and minus 11 upon 3 root 2 and tan inverse 3x plus 1 upon root 2 and plus c. This is answer of given question. That's all.